Hybrid SUVs are at the forefront of automotive innovation, representing a harmonious blend of power, sustainability, and efficiency. In this in-depth guide, we'll explore 6 of the best hybrid SUVs that are redefining fuel efficiency and practicality, diving into their unique qualities and the reasons why they stand out in the competitive automotive landscape. Subscribe to my channel, it will help me to grow up. 6. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has set the benchmark for hybrid SUVs by consistently delivering outstanding fuel efficiency, practicality, and reliability. As a pioneer in hybrid technology, Toyota has perfected its approach over decades, and the RAV4 Hybrid exemplifies this expertise. This SUV achieves an impressive fuel economy of 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a top contender for drivers seeking cost-effective and eco-friendly transportation. Under the hood, the RAV4 Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors. This combination generates a total of 219 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and plenty of power for both urban commutes and highway cruising. Its electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, making it a capable choice for various driving conditions. Inside, the RAV4 Hybrid boasts a thoughtfully designed cabin with ample space for passengers and cargo. The interior is both functional and comfortable, featuring durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear. The rear seats fold flat to provide a generous amount of cargo space, accommodating everything from grocery hauls to camping gear. Toyota has equipped the RAV4 Hybrid with an array of modern technologies. Its infotainment system includes a user-friendly touchscreen interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Additionally, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a suite of advanced safety features, comes standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making the RAV4 Hybrid a safe choice for families and individuals alike. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid's combination of reliability, efficiency, and practicality has made it a favorite among hybrid SUV buyers. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or embarking on a long road trip, this SUV offers a seamless driving experience that caters to a wide range of needs. 5. Ford Escape Hybrid. The Ford Escape Hybrid is a standout in the compact SUV segment, offering a unique blend of style, efficiency, and versatility. With fuel economy figures of 44 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway, the Escape Hybrid is designed to help drivers save on fuel costs while enjoying the convenience of an SUV. The heart of the Escape Hybrid is its 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 200 horsepower. This powertrain delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience. The hybrid system is engineered for seamless transitions between gasoline and electric power, creating a ride that feels both efficient and dynamic. Ford's design philosophy is evident in the Escape Hybrid's stylish exterior and well-appointed interior. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, yet the interior feels surprisingly spacious. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the cabin layout is intuitive, with controls placed conveniently within the driver's reach. Technology is a key highlight of the Escape Hybrid. The infotainment system features an 8-inch touchscreen with Ford's SINC3 interface, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated navigation. The available digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, displaying important information clearly and attractively. Safety is a priority in the Escape Hybrid, which comes standard with Ford Copilot 360. This suite of driver assistance technologies includes features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer journey. The Ford Escape Hybrid strikes an excellent balance between fuel efficiency, practicality, and advanced features, making it an ideal choice for city dwellers, young families, or anyone looking for a versatile and eco-friendly SUV. 4. Honda CRV Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid is a testament to Honda's commitment to creating vehicles that combine efficiency, reliability, and practicality. As one of the most popular hybrid SUVs in its class, the CR-V Hybrid offers an impressive fuel economy of 40 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The CR-V Hybrid is powered by a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 212 horsepower. This setup ensures a smooth and refined driving experience with plenty of power for overtaking on the highway or merging into traffic. Honda's hybrid technology also provides excellent responsiveness and quiet operation, enhancing overall driving comfort. Inside the CR-V Hybrid, the cabin is designed with both drivers and passengers in mind. The interior offers ample space for up to 5 passengers, with supportive seats and generous legroom. The cargo area is equally impressive, with enough room to carry luggage, sports equipment, or other essentials. Honda's attention to detail is evident in the high-quality materials and thoughtful layout of the interior. The CR-V Hybrid comes equipped with advanced technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features like dual-zone climate control, a power moonroof, and available wireless charging add to its appeal. Honda has also prioritized safety in the CR-V Hybrid. The standard Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation. These features make the CR-V Hybrid one of the safest SUVs in its segment, providing peace of mind for drivers and their families. With its exceptional fuel efficiency, spacious interior, and advanced safety features, the Honda CR-V Hybrid is a well-rounded SUV that caters to a wide range of lifestyles. It's a reliable choice for anyone seeking a practical and eco-friendly vehicle. 3. Kia Sorento Hybrid. The Kia Sorento Hybrid is a midsize SUV that offers an ideal balance of power, spaciousness, and remarkable fuel efficiency. It has become a standout in its segment, particularly for those seeking a 3-row SUV that doesn't compromise on fuel economy. The Sorento Hybrid boasts an EPA-estimated fuel efficiency of 39 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, figures that are highly competitive in the midsize SUV market. Powering the Sorento Hybrid is a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 44 kilowatts electric motor, which together deliver a combined output of 227 horsepower. This setup ensures a responsive and confident drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway. The hybrid system is smooth and well-integrated, seamlessly switching between gasoline and electric power for optimal performance. The Sorento Hybrid's design exudes a sense of modern sophistication. On the outside, it features sharp lines, an aggressive grille, and distinctive LED lighting, giving it a premium look. Inside, the cabin is a haven of comfort and versatility, offering seating for up to 7 passengers. The second-row seats slide and recline for added comfort, while the third row provides flexibility for families or groups who occasionally need additional seating. Technology is a highlight of the Sorento Hybrid, with an intuitive infotainment system that includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen display. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Kia's UVO Link services, which provide connected car capabilities like remote start and climate control. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, displaying driving and hybrid system information clearly. Kia has ensured the Sorento Hybrid is also a leader in safety. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The optional highway driving assist combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering technology, making long drives more relaxing. The Kia Sorento Hybrid's combination of practicality, efficiency, and advanced features makes it an excellent choice for families who need a spacious SUV but want to minimize their environmental impact. It's a compelling option in the increasingly crowded hybrid SUV market. 2. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a compact SUV that has redefined what it means to be eco-friendly without sacrificing style or functionality. This hybrid delivers exceptional fuel economy, achieving an EPA estimated 38 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Its efficient performance is complemented by a striking design and a host of advanced features, making it a top pick for modern drivers. At the heart of the Tucson Hybrid is a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 44 kilowatts electric motor, producing a combined 226 horsepower. The result is a lively and engaging driving experience with responsive acceleration and smooth handling. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction, making the Tucson Hybrid a capable companion in various weather conditions and terrains. Hyundai has taken an innovative approach to the Tucson Hybrid's design. The exterior features bold lines, unique LED lighting, and a distinctive grille that integrates seamlessly with the daytime running lights. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive, offering a clean and modern layout with high-quality materials and ample space for passengers and cargo. The Tucson Hybrid is loaded with technology, including a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer a 10.25-inch touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster, creating a tech-savvy driving environment. Other available features include wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system, adding to the SUV's upscale appeal. Safety is a strong suit for the Tucson Hybrid, thanks to Hyundai's SmartSense suite of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, stop-and-go functionality. These systems provide an extra layer of confidence for drivers, making the Tucson Hybrid a safe choice for families and commuters alike. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid combines efficiency, style, and cutting-edge technology in a compact package. It's an excellent choice for those who want a versatile SUV that excels in both urban and suburban settings while keeping fuel costs low. 1. Lexus RX Hybrid. The Lexus RX Hybrid is a luxury SUV that has redefined the hybrid experience by combining efficiency with refinement and sophistication. As one of the first hybrid SUVs in the luxury segment, the RX Hybrid continues to impress with its seamless performance and premium features. It achieves a commendable fuel economy of 31 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an attractive option for those who value both luxury and efficiency. The RX Hybrid is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined 308 horsepower. This powertrain provides smooth and quiet acceleration, ensuring a serene driving experience. The standard all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making the RX Hybrid well-suited for a variety of road conditions. Lexus is renowned for its craftsmanship, and the RX Hybrid's interior lives up to this reputation. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including soft leather, real wood accents, and metallic trim. The seats are plush and supportive, offering a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. The spacious rear seats and generous cargo area add to the SUV's practicality. The RX Hybrid is packed with advanced technology, including a standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, ensuring seamless connectivity. The available Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers an exceptional listening experience, further enhancing the SUV's luxurious ambience. Safety is a priority in the RX Hybrid, with Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 coming standard. This suite includes features like pre-collision warning, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert with steering assist. These systems work together to create a safer driving environment, making the RX Hybrid a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. For those who seek a luxury SUV that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on comfort or technology, the Lexus RX Hybrid is an excellent option. It offers a perfect blend of eco-consciousness and elegance, setting a high standard in the luxury hybrid SUV segment. Each of these hybrid SUVs stands out for its unique blend of fuel efficiency, performance, and features. Whether you prioritize practicality, luxury, or cutting-edge technology, these vehicles demonstrate how hybrid technology has transformed the SUV market, offering drivers a greener, more economical way to enjoy the benefits of an SUV.